All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all news from cryptocurrency, from everything from Ethereum to what's going on in Dogecoin to Bitcoin to GPU mining to actually helium mining. We got some good stuff going on helium's coming up in the next day or so. But today we're going to be talking about how Cardano is on the explosion and how it's going to explode right now. ADA is on a up. It's going absolutely berserk. There's all kinds of good news going on. If you can do me a favor, go ahead and like right below, like our channel. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our most recent videos, and then hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on anything. With that, let's go ahead and get started. So right here on Yahoo Finance, it talks about Cardano's ADA surges as much as 22% after the creator Charles Hopkins stokes hopes as smart contracts update. All right, let's get started. Yahoo Finance. Cardano's ADA surges as much as 22% after the creator Charles Hopkins stokes hope as the smart contracts updates. What's going on? ADA surges by over 20% by trading Wednesday at almost $1.80, as high as in the last 2 months. Its founder, Charles Hopkins, says the network's purple smart contract update is coming Friday. This Friday, he's going to basically make an announcement of what's going on with that. This is going to be absolutely huge. Also, other altcoin roses, Ripple and XRP has rose 9.1%. Dogecoin rose another 6%. Cardano's native coin, ADA, shot up as much as 20% early today on Wednesday. The creator, Charles Hopkins, stokes hope on the smart contracts that are coming up. Hopkins, who is the CEO of Cardano, developed the input-output. HK said Tuesday he reveals the date of the final release of the Alonzo update on Friday. We'll be able to announce when Alonzo's hard fork is going to happen, and at that point, you'll be able to run a smart contracts on Cardano, he said on YouTube. As ADA briefly climbs to its 2-month high of $1.79, early trading market a 22% increase in the last 24 hours. So again, we talk about Bitcoin, we talk about Ethereum and Dogecoin. ADA, Cardano, it's on the up going on right now. The next thing it's talking about is a more advanced smart contracts and the decentralizing finance or DeFi applications on the blockchain. The Alfonso Purple hard fork released its final steps on the multi-stage process, and it could help Cardano as much the bigger. It's going to compete with the bigger Ethereum network with the smart contracts. Smart contracts are effectively contracts that execute automatically once a series of conditions are met. They allow engineers to use the blockchain to perform a variety of functions such as send information or documents. DeFi applications allow two components to exchange capitalism and assets without anything going on. So with that, Cardano is on the up. You definitely want to take a look at it. There's all kinds of big announcements coming up on this Friday. Everything is just pointing to Cardano. Also, the founder of Cardano was also one of the founders of Ethereum. All right, over here at the top 10. So Cardano's on the top 10. We've been talking about it for a while here. So where is Cardano? Cardano is right here at number 5. And if you take a look, it's crazy. It's up 34% in the last 7 days. So again, 8 days ago, if you were watching the channel and you heard us talk about the top 10, Cardano was mentioned. You know, what you want to do is you want to pick the few of these stocks and these cryptocurrencies that you want to watch. Number 1 is Bitcoin right now at 45,000. It's up 16% in the last 7 days. Ethereum is at 31.99, almost 3,200. It's up 18% in the last 7 days. Binance Coin is up 19% in the last 7 days. Tether is up about even. Cardano up 34% in the last 7 days. It's up 7% in the last 24 hours. XRP, oh wow. XRP is up 41% in the last 7 days. So 41%, it's literally sitting there at $1.03. Dogecoin is at number 7. It's up 39% in the last week. There's just a lot of green going on. Polkadot's up 26%, and Binance Coin is right there at number 12. So what else is going on over here? So the global crypto market is at $1.9 trillion. It's actually up 1.78%. Let's go ahead and talk about a credit card that's going to give you Bitcoin as a reward. Yeah, that's right, everybody. BlockFi, a credit card, they're actually rewarding you. Don't just buy Bitcoin, earn Bitcoin. BlockFi is the easiest place to buy, sell, and earn your cryptocurrency. Sign up today and start earning. What else is it saying? Earn up to 3.5% back in Bitcoin on every purchase. Introducing the BlockFi Reward Visa Signature Credit Card, the world's first Bitcoin rewards credit card. That's right, folks. When you go out and you buy your Chipotle's or you buy a leather jacket or whatever and you use this credit card, you're going to get rewards back in Bitcoin. So for all the viewers out there that are looking at how to get Bitcoin, how to get ADA, how to get Ethereum, here's a great way. Get this Visa from the BlockFi, and every time you swipe, you're going to win some rewards, get some rewards in Bitcoin. Also down here, earn more from your cryptocurrency with the BlockFi interest account. You can earn up as high as 7.5% with your crypto. And instant trades, immediate, low cost, the block trading. You can buy, sell, exchange all your cryptocurrencies at a competitive price and start earning interest the moment you trade. BlockFi credit card. So with that, let's go back and talk about ADA Cardano. All right, so we're going to jump over here to Motley's Fool. It says Cardano is skyrocketing today. What happened? So it says Cardano is up 20% in the past 24 hours to $1.87 per token as of 10:30 on August 10th. Charles Hopkins, the founder of the Cardano and the co-founder of Ethereum, said he would pinpoint an exact date of the announcement of the Alonzo hard fork this Friday. After the hard fork, Cardano would enable the execution of small contracts on the network, enabling transactions between parties without using intermediates. The updates will be placed on the Cardano on a par with Ethereum in the aspect to set a launch before the Cardano Summit in September. So again, this hard fork that you're hearing about, it's kind of like it's going to change what's going on. So like when your phone, when your iPhone updates overnight and it changes the settings, that's a good example. Another good example would be Ethereum and Ethereum Classic, that it actually changed the settings, and Ethereum runs on one setting and Ethereum Classic is another setting. So the hard fork, it actually changes the settings of what's going on. They're gonna make an announcement on Friday when they're gonna do that. So what? Hopkins found Cardano in 2015 as a for-profit competitor to the non-profit Ethereum network. Cardano offers great environment, stability, then the later via its proof of stake protocol. Under this setup, miners would not need to use lots of amounts of energy to solve complex algorithm puzzles with their GPUs to validate transactions. Instead, the owners of ADA tokens validate transactions, earning interest or staking rewards in the process. Cardano's ADA is currently the 5th largest cryptocurrency on the market cap, and dig this, everybody, it's the second largest network operated on a POS protocol by the same measures. Investors are betting the next update will place ADA over the edge compared to the Ether. So now what? That's good news, but it's crucial to note that Ethereum is quickly catching up on the race. On August 5th, the network inventor claims it's ready to even bigger upgrades that will reduce the energy by using less, by reducing its energy by 99%. The POS protocol. Due to its greater adoption, Ethereum advancements could once again outpace that of Cardano's. Keep an eye on Cardano's ability to innovate before investing in the ADA token. So, hey, there's a lot going on. We're going to be going through this the next few days. There's going to be lots of updates. So, yeah, there's lots of updates that are going on with Cardano, ADA. We're going to be definitely paying attention to everything. We're going to basically come back with a number 2 to this, to a number 3 to this, because there's going to be all these announcements coming up on this Friday of what the next step is. So this is really, really exciting. If you're an investor, I mean, they're talking about Cardano just going up, up, up to the moon. So, and if you take a look at the stats and the charts, it's been doing that. Its high was in May over $2. So, but right now it's at $1.82. With that, we just want to go ahead and jump over to Robinhood real quick. All right, so we're over back here at Robinhood. Just wanted to go over 3 things. The Dogecoin right now is at 27 cents. Also, we've been talking a lot about the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, again, we can go right down here to Bitcoin. It's at 45,900. And again, you can kind of look at your charts to see how easy it is to kind of track. And you can see the dates of where it's at. And the last one we want to do is Ethereum. Ethereum is just going off the wall right now. 32. So with that, keep your eye on ADA, keep your eye on Cardano, see what's going on. Cryptocurrency is going bonkers right now. We want to definitely strap in. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, definitely make sure you like the video, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. Do me a favor and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Remember, this video is educational purposes only, so this is for educational purposes. And if you can click right here, you're going to see our most recent video on cryptocurrency, and we'll be back tomorrow to take care of cryptocurrencies updates.